Thank you for having me. I'm Julia Longoria. I am an attorney with MALDEF, the Mexican American Legal Defense and Educational Fund. We are a nonprofit civil rights organization in all across the country. We have offices here in San Antonio. I wanted to talk a little bit today about a specific case that we are working on because it is relevant to your community. It is a law suit against Southwest ISD. We represent children who are English language learners who attend Southwest ISD. The Southwest ISD is required to provide certain services and supports to English language learners, and the school district has not been providing those supports, and because of COVID, the gap in achievement for those children has been growing. And so if you have children who attend Southwest ISD or know children who or families that have children that attend Southwest ISD and want to know a little bit more about this lawsuit, I put our information here. And we would love to hear from these families to learn more about your experience, or if you're interested in learning a little bit about what our lawsuit entails and what it is that MALDEF is trying to achieve for these students. Thank you.